7 students of St.Michaels Academy, welcome to online life science class. A very good morning to class 7 students. Here I am discussing about plant respiration. What is respiration? The process by which food, especially glucose, is oxidized to produce carbon dioxide, water and release energy is called respiration. Now, different types of respiration. There are two types of respiration. First one is aerobic respiration. That is the process by which organisms use oxygen to turn fuel, such as fats and sugars, into chemical energy. In contact, anaerobic respiration does not use oxygen. Respiration is used by all cells to turn fuel into energy that can be used to power cellular processes. And on the other hand, in anaerobic respiration, glucose breaks down without oxygen. The chemical reaction transfers energy from glucose to the cell. Anaerobic respiration produces lactic acid rather than carbon dioxide and water. Unfortunately, this can lead to painful muscle cramps. Now, during the respiration process in plants, the oxygen gas enters the plant cells through the stomata, which is found in the epidermis of leaves and stem of a plant. Epidermis means the first skin actually. Plants carry out exchange of gases through stomata by the simple process of diffusion. Inside the leaf, the loose packing of parenchyma cells and the large air spaces below the stomata provide an interconnected network of air spaces to allow efficient diffusion of respiratory gases. You can see the aerobic respiration equation. Glucose C6H12O6 or glucose reacts with oxygen, 6 molecules of oxygen to form 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of water and some energy. And it happens in mitochondria. Mitochondria actually is the powerhouse of the cell. Next, cellular respiration. Actually, aerobic respiration, another name is cellular respiration. Why cellular respiration is called aerobic respiration and vice versa? Cellular respiration is a process that releases energy from sugars and other carbon-based molecules to make ATP when oxygen is present. Cellular respiration is called an aerobic process. That means it needs air or oxygen because it needs oxygen to take place. That's why aerobic respiration and cellular respiration both the same. See the diagram, second diagram. Cellular respiration, the process by which cells in plants and animals break down sugar and turn it into energy. First diagram. Respiration can be divided into two divisions, aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration can be divided into three parts. One is alcoholic fermentation. Second one is lactic acid fermentation. And the last one is mixed acid fermentation. Generally, alcoholic fermentation happens in lower plants like yeast. Lactic acid fermentation happens generally in human beings. And in the other mixed acid fermentation occurs. Now, first I am telling you the aerobic respiration process in plants. In the natural environment, plants produce their own food to survive. As with photosynthesis, plants get oxygen from the air through the stomata. Respiration takes place in the mitochondria of the cell in the presence of oxygen, which is called aerobic respiration. Now come to the next one. In yeast, anaerobic respiration results in the production of ethanol. Ethanol is a type of organic compound or ethyl alcohol. Okay. So, in yeast, anaerobic respiration results in the production of ethanol, which is a type of alcohol. In mammalian muscle tissues, the end result of anaerobic respiration is lactic acid. It is also a type of organic acid. Anaerobic respiration occurs in the cytoplasm of the cells. So I have discussed that aerobic respiration occurs generally in plant, but in some lower plants like yeast, anaerobic respiration also occurs. Now see the second diagram. There is a difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. First one, aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen, and that one it occurs in the absence of oxygen. Second one, respiratory substance, that is glucose, is completely oxidized here, and here partially oxidized. The third one, products are, that means products of aerobic respiration are CO2, that is carbon dioxide, H2O, that is water, and 36 molecule of ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Next, product of anaerobic respiration are ethyl alcohol. It's a type of organic alcohol, already I told before. Lactic acid is a type of organic acid. Carbon dioxide and just 2 molecule of ATP. So, in aerobic respiration, see ATP molecule, number of ATP molecule in aerobic respiration is higher than anaerobic respiration. That means high energy is released in case of aerobic respiration. Now the next one, number 4. Energy is released in large quantities, obviously, as I have told before, and here lesser quantity of energy released. Number 5. Cytoplasm and mitochondria are the sites of breakdown of glucose. And here only cytoplasm is a site of breakdown of glucose. That means aerobic respiration occurs in both cytoplasm and mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. But anaerobic respiration occurs only in the cytoplasm of the cell. Now here I told you previously also that aerobic and anaerobic respiration are very important. So here I am telling you comparison of aerobic and anaerobic respiration in a tabular form. Please go through the video properly so that you can relate it with your study material. Okay, along with this video, you have to read your book properly. Next, first, from the tabular structure, first point is oxygen required. In aerobic respiration, oxygen required, but in anaerobic respiration, two types of anaerobic respiration, that means in animals, in plants, and yeast also, no oxygen required. Second point is occurs in aerobic respiration, occurs in mitochondria, and anaerobic respiration in both animal and plant occur in cytoplasm. Next, glycolysis occurs. Glycolysis is a part of respiration. Always remember, any respiration can be divided aerobic or anaerobic into two processes. One is glycolysis and another one is Krebs cycle. This is not in your syllabus, that's why I am not explaining. But glycolysis process occurs in both type of respiration. See, in aerobic also, in anaerobic, plants and animals both. Animals and plants both. Now the next point is ATP yield. That means ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Just now I told you ATP means actually energy molecule. So in case of aerobic respiration, 38 or 36 molecule of ATP released. Total 38 molecule of ATP released, where 36 molecule of ATP is net and the plus 2 is extra. Now in case of anaerobic respiration, the amount of molecule of ATP is lesser. It's 4 ATP in total, 2 net means in total and 2 others. Now next point, glucose completely broke down. Yes, in case of aerobic respiration, glucose completely broke down. But in case of anaerobic respiration, no. Answer is no in case of plant and animal both. And the last point is end products. End product of aerobic respiration is carbon dioxide and H2O, that is water. But in case of anaerobic respiration, in animal, end product is lactic acid. And in case of plant, end product is ethanol and CO2. Just one more thing I want to add, that is, because of the production of this lactic acid in case of animal after anaerobic respiration, that means in human being also, we feel lethargy type of thing. Here I am discussing about photosynthesis and respiration. What is the difference between these two processes? First of all, see the diagram. At the daytime, photosynthesis occurs. At the night time, cellular respiration occurs or aerobic respiration. Okay. In case of photosynthesis, plant gives out oxygen and intake carbon dioxide. But in case of respiration, plants gives out carbon dioxide and intake oxygen. Now next here is the difference between photosynthesis and respiration. First point is photosynthesis occurs only in plants and some photosynthetic bacteria. But respiration occurs in all living organisms. Next, photosynthesis takes place in the presence of sunlight. That's why at daytime only. But respiration takes place throughout the day. Number 3, it occurs in chloroplast and it depends on light. Without light, photosynthesis never possible. And aerobic respiration occurs in cytoplasm and mitochondria and is independent of light. Number 4, raw materials are carbon dioxide and water and uses carbohydrates or organic substances and oxygen. Generally, respiration uses. Number 5, in photosynthesis, light energy is fixed in the form of chemical energy and stored in carbohydrates. But in case of respiration, chemical energy stored in the carbohydrates burns to release energy. Number 6, oxygen is liberated in this process and carbon dioxide is utilized. And in case of respiration, oxygen is utilized and carbon dioxide is released. A small example from your daily life I am giving you. Generally, there is a term that don't go to plants at night. Why you know? Because that time no photosynthesis, only cellular respiration occurs. That means that time carbon dioxide is coming out from plant and that is not good for our health. But at the daytime, respiration also occurs and photosynthesis also occurs. For photosynthesis, oxygen coming out and for respiration, carbon dioxide coming out. But the quantity of oxygen is greater than the quantity of carbon dioxide at the daytime. That's why I am telling you, don't go to plants, near the plants at night. Move on. First one, what is respiration? Second one, mention the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Third one, what is the full form of ATP? Fourth one, describe the respiration process in yeast. And the fifth one, differentiate photosynthesis and respiration. For any queries or doubts, please email me at sudeshna1.sma@outlook.com. Even you need to mail your regular life science assignments in this given email ID.